Hey travelers, today I've got a scoop for you. There's a brand new resort opening up. It's the Riu Palace Kukulkan. It's going to be opening up in Cancun. It's adults only, it's all inclusive. I've got the scoop for you, so let's go check it out.
This adult only resort is located right in the heart of the Cancun Strip, facing the ocean and located near the Plaza La Isla shopping mall and right beside the adult only live aqua resort, so you're unlikely to run into kids on the beach. With any Riu Palace resort, you have full exchange privileges, and there are four other Riu resorts which you can hang out if you like. They're all just a short bus ride away, so they're easy to get to. I'm going to show you some artist renderings or drawings of what they expect the resort to look like. We'll start off with the interiors and finish with a stunning view of the overall resort. Here you can see some of the bars as well as the restaurants. There will be a Japanese, Mexican, and Italian a la carte restaurant, as well as their famous buffet with tons of made-to-order food stations. There's over 400 guest rooms at this property, making it a mid-sized resort, and most of the rooms have an ocean view. The rooms are spacious with clean lines and more of those muted colors, lots of storage space, and a semi-private bathroom area with a full tub and separate shower, as well as an enclosed or private toilet. There are four pools, one with a swim-up bar, and of course there will be drink service around the pool and on the beach. And this is what the resort looks like. I think it looks great. It's in an amazing location, and it's the first Rio property in Cancun to overlook that grand beach and those amazing waves. It's going to be an extremely popular resort. It's scheduled to open in November, so stay tuned for when it'll be available to book. It's going to be the place to be.
So I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. And in the meantime, before you go, check out this video on another all-inclusive resort. This one's located in Playa del Carmen. It's adults only, it's all-inclusive, it's budget-friendly, and it's definitely one you're going to want to check out.